S&T co-partnership firm has dissolved, and the dissolution deed of the partnership firm with the effect of 18th September 2009. One of the partners, Ernst While firm, took over the entire business of the partnership firm in the individual capacity, including fixed asset. And the current assets and liabilities and other partners are paid his dues, they are paid. He continued to be a business as a sole proprietor with the effect of the date. And the assessee, relieving under section 78, subsection 2, claim a set-off of the losses suffered by the Earnestville partnership firm against the income owned as an individual proprietor concerning the case of inheritance of business. So business losses carried forward by the individual. The claim of assessee was disallowed by the assessing officer. He said, I take over the business, I has a right to carry forward the loss. What is the assessing officer say? It's no. What is the explanation? We can see. Assessing under the consideration the case whether the loss suffered by an erstwhile partnership firm which is dissolved can be carried forward by set off by an individual partner who took over the business of the firm as a sole proprietor, considering the succession as a succession of inheritance. The assessee is thinking, I had a partnership firm and I bought the partnership firm completely. Now the loss of the partnership firm is my partnership, my loss, so I can carry forward that losses. Section 78(2) deals with the carry forward of loss in the case of succession of business. It is provided that only a person who has incurred the losses and not no one else would be entitled to carry forward the same and set off. Only if he incur the loss, he can carry forward. An exemption provided, therefore, under the case of succession of inheritance. But as exemption in succession of inheritance means father's loss can be carried forward to inheritance because he is carrying getting that asset in his inheritance, then he can get these losses. Upon dissolution, partnership firm S&T and Co. Cease to exist. To exist. Also, the partnership firm S&T and Co. and sole proprietorship concern are two separate distinct units, so two different PAN for the purpose of assessment. The income earned by the sole proprietor would include the share of losses as an individual, but not loss suffered by the owner's one partnership firm in which he has a partner. So they know in the partnership business there is a loss, true. But the loss of the partnership is not a loss of an individual. Partnership firm because they are two separate individual. Delhi High Court versus Prathan Pramid Mittal CIT. Exempted to section 78(2), permitting carry forward losses by successor in the case of inheritance. Inheritance, you can carry forward loss. Oh, this is only exemption. It is not applicable to present case since the partnership firm was dissolved and ceased to continue. So they close the firm, so they can't do it. Taking over the business by the partner cannot be considered as a case of inheritance due to the death as per the law of succession. So even though all the partners are dead, he is the sole survival. He is carrying forward the losses to his own account. It is not permitted. Therefore, the action of assessing officer in dissolving the claim of setting of the loss suffered by the erstwhile firm S&T and Co. against the income earned by the individual proprietor is correct. So not any partnership firm loss, even though he inherit completely, it is not allowed. Only the family inheritance loss he can carry forward to his account. Other than that, no any business loss he can carry forward to other account because both are two distinct person.